Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. Featuring in this video are the final two stamping plates in which Beautybigbang very kindly sent me to swatch and review. And these stamping plates are Beautybigbang XL-015 and Beautybigbang XL-016. As always, you can find all the information on where to purchase from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. So I have my scraper and my Nail Artisan Tiffany Duo clear stamper. I have 6 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto, and I'll be taking 3 swatches from each plate. And I'll be starting with Beautybigbang XL-015. I have a blue nail tip along with a dark blue stamping polish. Now, because these images are longer than normal, I am adding a little more polish than normal. But this design and colour combo looks stunning. But I think this image, no matter what colour combo you do, would look great. For the second swatch, I'm going to use an orange nail tip along with a pastel yellow stamping polish. This design has so much lace detail, it is just stunning. And for me, I don't think this could have come out any better. For me, this swatch is what I would call perfect. This is one way I like to calm oranges down, using a pale yellow over the top, and it works really well. For the next swatch, I'm going to use a green nail tip along with a teal stamping polish. Now, I personally love lace designs. I don't think I've ever seen a design like this one though. It's very different, but again, it's packed full of beautiful detail. I did almost use this image for my mani, but at the last minute I chose something else instead. But I will be back to this image though. Moving on to Beautybigbang XL-016, and for the first swatch I'm going to use a yellow nail tip along with a red stamping polish. I chose to do this design as I felt that you couldn't really see all of the detail on the photo swatch, so I thought I would do it nice and bright this time. But this is a beautiful image. I almost want to call this animal print in a way, but I'm not sure though. For the next swatch, I'm going to use a light pink nail tip along with a purple stamping polish. This is a design what I call eye-funky. Again, with this pattern design, I'm not sure I've seen anything like this, but it is a really cool image though. You could even colour in some of the areas with bright neon-y colours, and that would look really great. For the next swatch, I'm going to use a green nail tip along with a dark green stamping polish. Again, this was another design I was going to use for a mani, but changed my mind at the last minute. I seem to be doing that a lot just recently. But I definitely want to do this for a mani. I think this whole colour combo would look great for autumn time. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and manis that I've created from these two Beautybigbang stamping plates. Beautybigbang XL-015 is lace inspired and has 12 large style designs. As I said earlier, there is a lot of detail across the whole of this plate, and some of it is super fine detail as well. I personally love lace, and I did wonder how all the detail would stamp like, but I have to say the swatches for me look stunning, and there isn't one swatch or design that I don't like or wouldn't use. This is definitely going to be a well used plate for me, and that peacock feathered design is one I really want to use next. I saw Fifi Cross Nails on Instagram use this image and it looked stunning, so I'm excited to see what I can create as well. But there really is some beautiful images. If you love lace, then this plate needs to be in your collection. One thing I do want to say is on the back of the plates, on the back of the plates is the Beautybigbang logo print on the white plastic backing. Now unfortunately I got some stamping polish on that because I'm quite a messy stamper, to be fair, and I wiped it away with my acetone, and yep, the design came straight off. So just a warning, it's not acetone proof at all. For the mani I had a blue gel polish, and as I love the light blue dark blue colour combo, this is what I went with. With this image you'll notice that each nail, that wiggly line, is in a different place, and that is because I've turned the stamper around, and also because these images are so long I've been able to move that line up and down my nail. But I love this though, it's so pretty. Beautybigbang XL-016 is geometric inspired, and again there is 12 large designs across this plate. Some of the images I call eye funky, especially the image on the top row in the middle. Now I have quite a lot of plates like this because I do love them quite a lot, but I feel that this one has some designs that I've never seen before, and I do like that. This will be another plate that I return to over and over again. They really do make some interesting manis, that's for sure. Because there is lots of lines, I personally find that clear stampers will help get them all straight and much easier to line everything up. Now I generally only use a clear stamper now anyway, and both of these plates, XL-015 and XL-016, have been really easy to use for me. I did think there might have been a couple of issues because of all that detail, but that was not the case at all. Now you can purchase all 6 plates in a set for about $16.99 or about 13 UK pounds, but you can also purchase them individually as well. Now at the time of this video they are the prices, and individual plates are $2.99 or about £2.30 in UK money. For this mani I had a mint green gel polish, and I decided to stamp with a teal stamping polish. I don't have an image like this one, so I wanted to use it first, and I love how this has turned out. Again, I've moved the stamper around, so each nail again is slightly different. I also went matte with this one as I didn't like it glossy, but I really do like this one. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with my manis and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. A massive thank you to Beautybigbang for sending me these stunning plates to swatch and review. Make sure you check out their social media as well, there is a link too. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on these 2 Beautybigbang stamping plates. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. Comment below, I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.